I'll get it. Don't worry.
You got it?
I'll get it.
Hold on. Well, we got to be safe here. We were transporting precious items. Are you wearing gloves? You better not drop it.
Absolutely not.
You best drop it.
I'm getting like rust and tetanus and hepatitis kits.
That's what I'm saying. You better be up to date on your shots when you work on this.
This piece right here is worth more than you think.
Oh, yeah. It's good stuff. This right here pays for wheel spacers.
Yep.
You see that? You see that right there, folks?
Look at that. Look at that.
Get from
Look at that.
We'll call it a straight pipe here.
Straight pipe. That's hot. We don't need washer fluid, so we're taking that out.
We don't do that here.
We don't do that here, actually. Fun fact.
When we come for pit stops, we're just gonna have buckets of water we toss on the windshield.
Exactly, yeah. Just
We'll give out.
We're offering free washer fluid to the community. Come by Advanced Auto Parts in Avondale, New Jersey. Come by Advanced Auto Parts in Avondale, New Jersey for free washer fluid. It's moving quick. Don't miss the sale.
Avondale, New Jersey. Free.
We got the stuff.
We got the stuff.
Don't need some fluid? It's good, right? Yeah. There we go. Yeah, thumbs up. There we go. I got washer fluid. You want washer fluid? No, it's actually good. Some. Are you sure this is good stuff, Brandon?
It's actually the top of the line quality.
That looks suspicious.
We found a taker for our free washer fluid.
What the?
Really
Gets about 30 miles to the gallon.
Just pull it out. Take him all that. It's just he was so calm.
Yeah, exactly. Put it down. Let's go.
Of course, it's one that's duct tape.
You know what? Good enough.
It's Chris's first spin in the Bro Rover.
Yep. Ready? My security system has a 238-pound bite. Yeah, that'll do some damage.
Oh yeah.
That's a lot of damage.
That's a lot of damage.
Another day, another chance to get new parts for the Bro Rover. We went through the whole brake system yesterday at my buddy's shop in Linden. Shout out D-Rod Customs in Linden on Elizabeth Avenue. Big ups to Danny for giving us a hand yesterday and today on getting the brake system situated on the car. We narrowed it down to either it being a bad caliper or a bad master cylinder. Because nobody has a master cylinder available, it seems, anywhere around here, we're gonna go with the calipers. We get some new calipers today. We're gonna put them on the car. We're gonna bleed the system. We're gonna go through everything one more time. If the pedal gets any firmer, that's gonna be sick. If it doesn't, then we're gonna do everything in our power to make sure that it does stop and that we are safe about it. And then after that's all said and done, we're gonna start painting this bad boy. And we're gonna see what we can come up with. We're just gonna throw paint at the car and see where it lands, and maybe it's gonna look cool, I don't know. But anyway, I gotta go down to East Brunswick now. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I got a 40-minute drive ahead of me, so let's do it.
We're painting the bumper today. It's gonna be black. It's gonna be sick. It's perfect.
The other one or no?
Yeah, this is the Walmart stuff.
No, this is like way worse than fucking. Nothing to see here.
Keep it moving.
Just kids cutting school.
I also didn't clean the bumper before we painted, so I don't... What are you laughing at?
Stop rushing perfection. All right.
I'm not Russian, I'm Irish. We're gonna paint the dirt.
What do you mean?
Is that a wrap?
You're not used to being recorded.
Oh, is that 3?
You gotta let me know when you're recording, all right, Dan?
Mint, what do you think?
It looks great.
Good. Clean. Good.
We're painting the wiper arms gold now.
That's not gold.
That's gold.
Oh, what? Backside? Backside?
Backside. Can't forget the backside. You get a good angle on it.
You gotta like.
Ever so gently. Go wipers. Matt.
All right, guys, here we are. It's race week. We are just a few days away from leaving for Adirondack International Speedway in Casterland, New York. I'm super excited. I know the rest of the guys on the team are super excited. Tying up some loose ends on the Bro Rover right now. We're doing a little more painting work. So I'm gonna give you a little inside look at what we're doing right now. Got our new Wounded Warrior Project vinyl on there. Thank you to those guys for sending us these big square 10-inch vinyls. Front bumper, painted white, looking just like a bumper. I got the hood masked off right now. We're gonna paint the sides of the hood white, and then right smack in the middle, we're gonna put all the names for everyone who's donated to our Wounded Warrior Project fund that we started. I also gotta paint this side view mirror gold to match the other gold side view mirror. I mean, come on, look at that. Gold wiper arms. Then a Mom Rocket sticker to show where we came from. Alright guys, here we are. It's Wednesday. We leave in 2 days for the race in upstate New York. We're filling up the hood with names right now. Now, even though we didn't hit our goal of 100 actual names donated on the donation page that we ran through Wounded Warrior Project, we're going to fill up the hood with names anyway. A lot of people we want to thank for them volunteering their time, helping us out with not only the Bro Rover, but with the Mom Rocket minivan. We want to pay homage to them. It ain't much, it's just their name painted on the hood. We want to give a shout out to all those people that have helped us out along the way to get us to where we are now. So we're going to fill up that hood with names. We already started filling it in a little more. As you can see, we got a little more real estate right there in the middle. If that glare could go away, that'd be sick. There we go. We're going to fill it up with names. And it's going to look very cool when it's done. It already looks pretty cool now, but it's going to look really cool when it's all done. We have vinyl coming in as well, either today or tomorrow, from my buddy Ryan at Full Throttle Design Company. Big thanks to him for hooking us up with some vinyl for the logo of the Bro Rover, as well as the number on the side of the car. Big shout out to him. He's making this thing look good. Gonna take the day tomorrow to chill, get some stuff together, and then Friday, we hit the road. I'm excited. I can't wait. I can't wait to jump this thing. I can't wait to jump a thing that's not meant to be jumped.
Boggle.
It's race day, boys. Are we excited?
Don't be nervous.
The more you say it.
Don't be nervous.
Stop.
Have fun.